Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate PayPal with System.io. It's pretty simple. First you have to log into your System.io account, and then you just need to click on your profile icon at the top right corner in your screen. You will find it. Then simply click on settings here, and from here you just need to go to payment gateways, and from here you can see PayPal is available on System.io. To connect with your account, you just need to click on connect. Now you need to enter your username, password and signature, and these three fields are those fields where many of us got confused that which username, which password and which signature, where to find it. So let me show you how you can find these three necessary things from your PayPal account. First, you have to log into your PayPal account. Then you just need to click on your account ID at the top right corner. Then go to account settings. Then simply scroll a little down and you will find MVP Swap API integration. From here, you just need to click on manage API credentials. Then you will find this type of interface. From here you just need to click on this request an API signature, and make sure it's enabled, and click on agree and submit button at the down here. And then you will find here the API username, API password and signature. Remember, don't show these three things to anyone. This make this so private in your account. Then after click on show, for the three section, you will find the username, API password and API signature. You just need to copy those three necessary information from here. Then fill the blanks with the correct information that you just copied from your PayPal account. So now after click on save button, from here you can see user ID that already popped up on your PayPal section here in the PayPal option. When you see that your account username and the other details has just integrated here in the System.io, you can be sure that your PayPal account is now connected with System.io. And that's how you can integrate your PayPal account with your System.io account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.